Hey, how's it going, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Life Minis. And today, guys, I got another Black Friday deal coming at you guys. This is by far the best console deals you can find on the internet, and these are going to be at Best Buy. So, guys, I have a Xbox One S deal as well as a PS4 deal, just so I have both consoles included, and because obviously these are the two most popular consoles, so I want to help out everyone out there. There's also Nintendo Switch consoles, but I'm not going to be focusing on that in this video. So number one, Xbox One S, 1 TB, all digital edition, disc-free gaming in white. Comes with 3 games included at only $149. That's the lowest price I've ever seen in Xbox One. The way they can drop the price on this is just not having a disc drive. So if you do care about discs, don't get this. Go pick up another version, because I do believe over here they have like a $199 edition. And they have a bunch of bundles, games included with that. So, but this is, you get $50 off just by having the all digital edition. You get Minecraft, Sea of Thieves, and Fortnite all included. Absolute steal of a deal. I'd highly recommend it. Go check it out on Best Buy's website. Moving on to the PlayStation side of things. I know I'm an Xbox guy, but I got to promote PlayStation as well for all the PlayStation fans I have. We have a $199 PS4 1 TB edition in jet black. This is the PS4 Slim, I believe. So 1 TB, plenty of space. You're going to be fine with that. Comes with some great games. We have The Last of Us, God of War, and what is this last title? I can't really tell what that is. Horizon Zero Dawn. That's another game. I don't really know too much about Horizon Zero Dawn, but God of War and The Last of Us, great titles overall. So for only $199, you're saving $100 here. Go pick that up. I think it's a great deal. These are all $60 games, so that's $180 in saving. 60 times 3 titles. Highly recommend it. Go check it out, guys. As always, leave a like on this video, subscribe if you're new, hit that notification bell, and if you haven't already, check out the Life Made Easy podcast, promoting the crap out of that. Go check that out. Go give it a listen. Great content there, and you can go follow us on Twitter as well. So, guys, go pick up these deals. I hope you enjoyed. Hope you found this video useful. Do all that good stuff. See you guys in the next video. Leave any suggestions down in the comments down below. Whatever deals you want me to check out as well. I can do smartphones, anything like that. So, see you guys then.